Hello everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan. I am a legal intern in LEXCLIQ company, and today's topic of mine is upon a basic judgment or the order which is passed by the Supreme Court, where Supreme Court ordered railway to pay compensation if train gets late. This is the current order which is passed by the Supreme Court in the favor of the passenger who has filed the case on the delay of the train and with which they had to face many difficulties in 2016. Let us know about the key highlights of this case. That is, the Supreme Court has slammed the Indian Railway for the delay of running late of the train, and the court upheld the compensation award to the passenger whose train was delayed for 4 hours while traveling to Jammu with his family in 2016. And Supreme Court noted that if the railway failed to explain why a train was delayed, it would be liable for paying the compensation to the passenger. Let us now discuss about the basic issue related to this case. The apex court has upheld the compensation awarded to the passenger whose train was delayed by 4 hours while he was traveling to Jammu with his family in 2016. Because of this, he missed his flight. As a result, they had to take an expensive taxis to Srinagar, and they also missed their bookings related to boat in Srinagar for Dal Lake. And thereafter, passenger filed a case with the District Consumer Grievance Forum, and which were given by the railway petitioner that they submitted that late running of the trains could not be said to be as deficient in the service on the part of the railways. And as per Rule 114 of the Indian Railway Conference Association coaching tariff, which said that there should not be any liability to the railway to pay compensation for the late running of the trains, and there may be a number of reasons for the delay and late running of the trains. Thus, therefore, the decision of the district forum was that the forum directed the North and Western Railways to pay compensation of rupees 30,000 for the cost insured to the passenger because of the delay in the train. The railway filed an appeal against the order of the forum, and thus but the contention of the railways were rejected by various forums, including the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, New Delhi, and final appeal was filed in a Supreme Court. Railway thereafter filed an appeal against the compensation awarded to the passenger. Here the observation of the court reinforced the concept of that every passenger's time is precious and they might have booked their tickets for further journeys. Therefore, unless and until evidence is laid explaining the delay and it is established and proven that delay occurred beyond their control and there was some justification for such delay, the railway are liable to pay compensation for delay and late arrival of the trains. And whereas the decision of the Supreme Court is that it was given by the judge bench held that the railway was liable to pay compensation to any passenger who files a complaint against the railway and who fails to provide justification or a valid reason for the delay of such running of the train, and thus the judge dismissed the appeal. Guys, this was all about the decision which was given by Supreme Court in this particular month. And if you need any information related to it, please do write in a comment section, and please do subscribe this channel LEXCLIQ.